This tutorial will show you how to make a breezy summer shawl using just 1 yard of fabric. I used a transparent chiffon material for this, but anything lightweight will do. This is a very simple tutorial and is a great project to try for your first time working with a lightweight fabric. With 1 yard of fabric folded in half, sew the 10 inches on each side from the open edge. Sew these 10 inches with the wrong sides together and do a very narrow 1/4 inch seam allowance. Next, you want to trim the seam and then flip the fabric the other way so that now you have right sides together. Then sew another narrow seam at 3/8 inches from the edge. This will encase those raw edges inside the seam to prevent them from fraying over time. After sewing your seams, you should now be left with holes between the folded edge and the sewn seam. These are the armholes. You want to hem all the way around the armholes to protect the fraying fibers. The only thing left to do is hem the rest of the shawl. However, if you are using 1 yard of fabric, the rest of the edge of the shawl should be the selvage edge, so it shouldn't fray. So if you like the look of your selvage edge, you can keep it as is and you don't need to hem it. But if you don't like how it looks, you can trim off the selvage and then hem the shawl. And that's it. You are finished with your light and breezy summer shawl.